everybody. It's Linda. I'm the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade Live. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm live in Charleston, South Carolina. Do you see these amazing baskets? Let me introduce you to the fantastic artist responsible for creating these fabulous, amazing baskets. His name is Mr. Ellis. Hello, Mr. Micheal Ellis. How are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for taking time to talk with the old bird today.
And thank you for asking me.
Mr. Ellis, tell us what you make, what you use to create these fantastic baskets.
Well, the basket is called sweetgrass basket. Made here, it's a gullah basket made here in the Charleston, South Carolina area.
All right.
I'm down here at the city market. I've been coming down here for now 50 years. This is a craft that was taught to me by my mother and grandmother. I am fourth generation. My entire family know how to make the basket.
Amazing.
And these are the material that we pull. This is the sweetgrass. This is the bulrush. Everybody knows the bulrush that
Yes.
Moses was put in. And this is one of the material that we use in the baskets.
Okay.
This is the palm. This is the thread and the needle of the basket. That holds everything together. Okay, so we pull our own material. We go out into the forests and swamps, and we harvest our own material.
Okay. Oh, amazing.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Mr. Ellis, in the basket in your hand, tell me what material is in it.
This little basket right here, I have long pine needles.
Okay.
I have sweetgrass, and of course we have the bulrush and the palm that holds everything together. Yes, ma'am. And this little basket right here, you can use this little basket for your jewelry, your change, or any little knick-knack things you decide you want to use.
Okay. Now, these baskets right here, most of the time I see people using them in their kitchens. Can they be washed?
Yes, they can be washed. You take a little mild soapy water and you dip it in there, take the little stain out, and just let it air dry. You can use these baskets for bread, for biscuit, for rolls, whatever you name, you use the basket for. The basket was used a long time ago for stuff like fish and jewelry and stuff like that, but now you can just use it just as a showpiece.
Okay. All right. Now, Mr. Ellis, where can we find you online to purchase your amazing baskets?
You will find us our website at sweetgrasspalm.com. That's sweetgrasspalm.com. Yes, ma'am. And you will also find us down at the city market in Charleston on the corner of North Market and Church Street.
Okay. That's where I am now, everybody. See the tourists? Oh, this is amazing. Now, Mr. Ellis, are you always right here on the corner?
I'm always right here on the corner unless it rains or I'm doing something out in the swamp areas.
Okay, now everybody, you heard him. You see the sign, North Market Street. And you'll find Mr. Micheal Ellis right here.
Or one of my family members, my kids.
Or one of his family members. And his amazing baskets. Mr. Ellis, thank you so very much for joining the old bird today.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye, everybody.